Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily find chatters for your OnlyFans or for your OnlyFans agency in like 2 minutes flat. All right, so you're going to go to either TikTok or YouTube or both, and you're going to type up the top here, OnlyFans chatter Bjorn. Why are you typing Bjorn? Because I'm not going to tell you to go to other people's videos. And then you'll scroll down to any one of these. So here we go, hire a new chatter. Boom, you'll click on that and then go to the comments and look what you'll see. Here we go. I'm interested in applying for the job. Do you still need chatter? There's another chatter talking. Do you need more chatters? Blah, blah, blah. You go to these and then you either just reply to their comment, giving your WhatsApp, tell them to add you on WhatsApp, ask for their WhatsApp, whatever. Just get them to add you on WhatsApp or Telegram, and then they'll add you on there, and then you just set it up. Then you hire them. First, ask for if they have any experience with an OnlyFans account, then ask if they have any experience chatting, selling high ticket PPVs, because if you see my other content, you'll know none of this $5, $7 shit, none of that. So ask if they have any experience with that. If they don't, no worries. Either way, you're going to have to send them training material, a little rundown of what to do, how to log in to an HTTP web browser or Inflow or something like that. Either way, you're going to have to do that. But for finding them, you don't need to go to freelance, online jobs or anything like that. Just go to YouTube or TikTok, type in OnlyFans chatter, Bjorn. Scroll down the comments, you'll find chatters. Same with TikTok. So you type in OnlyFans chatter. Has to be Bjorn. I'm telling you Bjorn because I know that so many chatters type in my comments, asking if they need a job, get spammed in the messages. So here we go. We'll click on one here. Excuse the old content. I was learning how to, get better with mics and stuff. Anyway, look, I need a job. How to apply, hello. Just go to any video that involves chatting and OnlyFans, go to the comments, you'll find chatters, and then respond to their comment and get them to add you on Telegram or WhatsApp. That's literally it. I have no need to waste any more of your time. I'm not going to shill anything. That is it. You'll thank me later, all right? And that's it, and that's that. So as usual, if you liked the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.